First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Posted. We're back at it. Right now, I'm about to go meet up with my boy, fellow YouTuber, Vas 614. He has a red 2013 version of my car, the E92 M3. And we're gonna meet up. This is gonna be our first meetup, chat about cars, possibly go into the NV Auto Group showroom and take a look around. Then we'll probably find a good place to take some pictures and probably get some roller video and everything. Another beautiful day out here. Like I say, every day you wake up is beautiful, but especially when the sun is shining, the sky is blue, it's just right. Perfect day for this V8 soundtrack. Red E92 M3 sitting right here, looking good. I gotta pull my shit up sideways though, yo. There we go. What up? So we're here at the spot, just met up with my boy Vas 614. You already know. I plugged him in earlier, but this is his red E92 M3. We're gonna take a little ride in it later, but right now we're gonna go check out the boys at NV Auto Group and see what they got popping. You know, it's his first time out this way. It's his first time going to NV, so we're gonna see what we can get into and see if we can't show him the ropes aside. Without further ado, yeah, let's go ahead. Just pulled up on NV, and here's Jack's new M5. This thing is really clean. Black gloss rims, got the tint already on it. Nice NV Auto Group banner across the side. Don't forget the carbon fiber hood. Now that's killer. Yeah. I see you out here, Jack. Welcome to Beemer Fam, son.
This looks so good.
Oh, he's got the red RPI scoops in there too. Okay, okay.
Different lip, or is that stock?
Yeah, he got the different little splitter at the
mirrors.
bottom. Yeah.
This looks good.
Proper.
I love that.
Yeah, Jack, you looking proper out here, son. We're gonna get you out here on Woodward tomorrow. Oh yeah, and the tips are real clean too. They're shining in the light. Dave, I know you see this. This is your drop top counterpart. Just got the diffuser on that thing. Look at it. Looking good. Alpine white crew. Got the 4G auto rims.
Oh wow.
Looks like a DCT. But carbon fiber on the air vents. Carbon fiber front splitter. Yellow RPI scoops. Nice drop top M6. Alright, I know you guys might think this is my car, but we are actually in Vas's red E92 M3 right now. And geez Louise, the fresh engine feel in here is amazing.
Just rolled over 19,000.
Just rolled over 19,000. And let me tell you, these tires absolutely grab the ground. I need to get off these Continentals.
These Powersport 4S's, best decision I made.
I believe it.
They were amazing.
Do you ever get any tire spin at all?
No.
Any chirp or anything?
When it's a little wet every now and then, and that's about it. This is a good day. Like the weather is pretty good.
Yeah,
today,
it's nice and dry and warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, tires are changed the game. Put all that power down.
See, the thing I've noticed is with these cars, you know, you're only looking at like 298, 300 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
So you don't have, you know, a whole lot compared to the like F80 or whatever, right?
Right.
But being able to put that power down is everything,
essential,
you know?
for sure.
So with 4S's, it is like the perfect, like all-around, you know, summer tire.
Look at that. Love that grab.
has a really good feel to it. I absolutely, you know, and after riding in yours, it's a completely different vehicle.
Completely different, dude. Like I said, as soon as you tune and they open this thing up, man, like, it's all there. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all.
No.
No.
I mean, it doesn't sound like that.
All right, y'all, we're back in the M3. Just did a little bit of some shenanigans for Vas, but now we're gonna go find a little park and get some cinematic shots, and you know, we got to do the right thing and have a good scenery for these cars to meet up on. So we'll see what we find and we'll get back at it. It's always nice riding with another E92.
Yeah, and yours makes mine feel like a 3 Series. Like, it sounds so better. So much better.
Did you hear the sound it makes in third when you just like push it?
It's amazing.
Oh my god. Let me see if I can show you the welcome lights. Here we go.
Oh, God, that was so good.
Both of these things next to each other, my god. Absolutely, dude. Alright, my homeboy Vas is about to drive my E92 for the first time. And he's inexperienced what the difference is between his more stock car and a car that is, you know, pretty much full bolt-on.
Yeah, I mean, this thing's got everything you can do without running the supercharger now.
Yep,
so
exactly.
It's pretty much there. So let's see how it's drive.
Yep.
Okay, guys, can't stress to you, this is an 08 with 130,000 miles. So let that sink in. And it pretty much, you've said you've had little to no problems with
No problems up until the 130,000 mile mark where I just did my rod bearings.
Which,
but other than that, nothing.
Guys, 130,000 miles is like more than twice as much as what they say. So that's pretty darn good.
I would say so myself.
Yeah.
Not bad deal. All right, now we're back in the red E92 M3. We're gonna drive Vas' car and see how it compares to the white E92. He was giving me a couple tips on his steering. He wants to have a little bit of feedback session, so you know what we E92 drivers gotta do.
You can give it a little bit.
Oh yeah, we are in regular M mode.
Yeah.
Oh, that baby still got pushed.
Yeah.
No, I think your steering feels like it's probably got the servants on it.
Okay.
I could be wrong.
I didn't know, that's why I was curious.
It feels a lot like mine, in my opinion.
No.
Just like how heavy it is, but it's nimble.
This car feels like a knife when I drive it on the road. That's the best way for me to explain it.
I wouldn't put it past being tuned. It feels really...
I'm like learning
sturdy.
new stuff about this car like every month. Maybe there is something else to it.
It might be.
Yeah.
Especially if he was getting it ready to be supercharged
He was.
possibly. So
Yeah.
he probably went ahead and did, you know, some type of just full, you know, bolt-on type things before that. Very possible. We gotta get those on the go. That's that money
It's quiet.
range right
It's
there.
too quiet right now.
That
I know
third
it
gear
is.
pull should be like echoing through this motherfucker. Good downshift.
Yeah, sorry, it's just so messy.
Oh, dude, I can work with it. The downshifts are still stuck. Snap. Snap.
Yeah.
I love that sound. Dude, those Dynan mufflers sound great.
For the money, they better be. Dude. They're
Yeah,
like
right.
upwards of like $3 or $4 grand for. I think it's like $2 grand for the mufflers, and like
wow.
$3 or $4 for the full exhaust. That's ridiculous.
One thing is, Dynan is quality, but Dynan is a taxing ass name. I will say that.
It's worse than the M-Tax sometimes.
Dude, you're not lying. The responsiveness, everything is there.
I love this car.
Now, the sound of the more stock, like, exhaust hits in a different way for me than the regular exhaust does, because, like, or a full exhaust does. Because the full exhaust, you definitely feel that full down low and, like, you know, it's kind of like full body. But there's something about when you have, like, the cats on here, you hear that higher RPM better. It's just like a different feeling. I love it.
When you get past 4,000, this car really wakes up.
Oh yeah.
It's really where it's meant to shine. It's like a GT3, man. The point of these cars are the high revving, you know, naturally aspirated. And I know you can go through that throw the supercharger on there, but it's so much fun as it is. I really don't. I don't feel like I'm missing it.
No, it's not.
I'm not chasing horsepower and 0 to 60 times in this car.
That's nice. I love the grip on those tires, man.
These Pilot Sport 4S's, hands down, best tire I think money can put on these cars. There's more expensive tires, but these are my favorite.
Dude, these hook like a charm.
Yeah.
Up and out, like.
You can only go 55 on the roads, though.
Oh,
this was a private testing facility.
We actually went 35.
Yeah.
Oh no, I mean, it drives like it should.
Drives like an E92.
Drives exactly
Can't
like
explain
it
it.
should.
It's just, you know,
It's magic.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what kind of setup you have on it. It's always magic when you get in the driver's seat on.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
What a pleasure to drive. I'm gonna give Vas my unused, unopened performance air filter. From one M3 owner to another, man. Here you go. Never opened.
I'm excited, man.
Absolutely. Well, once you get it in, let me know how you like it, how you like the sound of it, how it compares to.
It all fits up stock, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Absolutely.
Yep, definitely.
It's great to meet you in person, brother.
It's great meeting you as well.
More fun times to come.
Yeah, you'll have to come down to Columbus or Dayton or, you know, Ohio sometimes. There's a lot, pretty good car scene over there too, so we'll have to hit up some of the different events.
Yeah, we're definitely down. Sounds good, man.
Hey,
Take it easy.
It was good seeing you, dude.
You too, man. You too. Enjoy dinner.
Yep. Okay.
Peace. All right, that's all from me, guys. Make sure you drop a like and comment on this video if you like the content. Smash that subscribe button. Go subscribe to Vas 614. I'll put the link down below and in the description. Make sure you guys go follow him, man. Real cool dude. Check him out on Instagram too. Per usual, I'll see y'all next time. Love you all. Peace.